All right, let's expand and simplify this expression. First, I want to multiply the coefficient in front of the set of brackets to all the terms inside the brackets, like this. First, I have 8 times 1, which is 8. Then 8 times negative 3y, so minus 24y. And the negative 4 stays the same. Plus 2 times 8y, 16y. Plus 2 times negative 7, so minus 14. Then I group the like terms together. First, I find the negative 24y and the positive 16y. Putting them together would become negative 8y. And then I have positive 8 minus 4 minus 14. So together, that would be 8 minus 18, so negative 10. And that's it.